What? I've done a part 1 to this? Eagles are cool, I'm not gonna lie. I got like 5 pet eagles. They're not really my pets, but they be hanging around. They be flying up on a limb beside you while you're chilling. Be on the back porch, eagle just land, be like, hey, what's up, man? Cap, okay, just say you don't go outside, bruh. Wait. Oh, that's a cool bird, bruh. What I put eagles at? I'm gonna go 1 with the Dovesky. Five. I mess with crows. I'm gonna go 3. I think isn't the crow the smartest animal on the planet besides humans?